Ano bang matuturo mong game sa mga taong gusto din kumita sa online?
Wait lang, ano ba? Tagalog ba tayo? English?
Ay,
Nalilito ako eh.
hindi, okay na. Bahala ng AI pumili.
Teka lang, nag-ano pa ako, nagka-calculate pa ako. Sige, Tagalog tayo. Mamaya tayo mag-English. Ang diskarte sa online, ako nag-umpisa.
English yun eh.
Alin? Yung online?
Online, no.
Ano ba Tagalog ng online? O, online na lang. Diskarte sa online sa akin, nag-umpisa sa pandemic eh. Panahon na lahat tayo nasa bahay, napapanood lang natin yung mga balita. Tapos meron tayong, yung iba sa atin may ipon, kahit pa paano merong panawid ng ilang buwan. Pero you hear these stories about people going out on the streets, trying to cross cities, cross borders,
Okay.
and they're not letting people in. And these people have work to attend. Wala silang pang-araw-araw. Not many people were blessed. Then came the time na ikaw naman ang naubusan.
Yun.
'Di ba? Yung kung ano yung napapanood mo sa TV, biglang ikaw naman. Manap ka maraming paraan. You go traditional ways. You buy and sell,
Yes.
whatever you can pick up. Kahit anong paraan, kumita ka lang ng, alam mo yun, kahit 3,000 lang sa araw na yun. Kumita ka lang ng 1,000 nga lang eh. Pasalamat ka pa rin.
Mismo.
Pero dumating opportunity sa Battle of the YouTubers. Nung kinumbida ako ni MG. Simula nun, dun na na-establish na yung Kiko Matos in this time frame or in this era.
Okay.
Because
Prior to that, your biggest break was, sa tingin mo?
wait lang, balik muna tayo sa usapan ng
YouTube.
Hindi, usapan ng diskarte.
Diskarte.
So, akin lang, ang akin lang, yung diskarte online, ako nahanap ko kasi kinailangan kong kilusan. 'Di ba? Kinilusan ko, natuto ako. Tapos, ayun.
Meaning, kilusan, fill up application, sign up?
Hindi naman.
ganun?
Yung maghahanap ka lang ng lakas na loob kasi marami tayong plano sa buhay na hindi natutuloy.
Okay.
'Di ba? Marami tayong plano sa buhay na hindi natutuloy. Kung may pangarap ka, 'di ba? Kilusan mo. Ayun. What was your question? Yung sa buhay?
Question sa buhay?
Yeah, 'di ba? I cut you eh.
No, I was just, nakalimutan ko na eh. Kinagat ako ng lamok dito eh. Hindi, kanina pinag-uusapan natin yung kita ng, alam mo yun, curious lang, lalo na sa pandemic yan nga, and-explain mo, doon ka pala nag-umpisa dito sa
social media.
Right. But before that, what was your biggest break na nakilala ka? Saan ka ba biglang naging Kiko Matos talaga na nagka-chance pa mag-imbita para maging influencer sa Battle of the YouTuber or whatnot? What were you, an actor before? Like your beginning stages? Acting was your first way into the industry, per se?
Oo, nag-audition ako. Naglakas loob ako isang beses kasi may nakita akong casting call online sa Facebook. Tapos, naglakas loob ako. Punta sa audition. This was for Cinemalaya 2013. Pumasok sa audition room kahit wala akong inaasahan na makukuha o hindi. At least sinubukan ko.
Right.
Pumasok ako doon, 4 na pelikula, pumila. Pero isa lang ang pwede kong piliin. It was Babagwa.
Okay.
Isa lang pwede kong piliin kasi it was a starring role. If I starred in 4 films, it would make it would cause a confusion, especially in a film festival na pinaglalaban mo yung films, di ba? So isang starring role lang. And then after nun, na-shoot na yung pelikula, akala ko yun na yun. After nun, natapos yung pelikulang yun, wala akong trabaho at all. Wala.
So, that was your first major lesson, you would say?
Hindi. Mahaba yung lesson.
Okay.
Mahaba yung lesson. Kasi yung mga panahon na yun, hindi pa ganun kapatok ang social media. So, kung paano mo ibenta yung sarili mo, mano-mano. Kung may kakilala ka, o meron, yung kakilala mo, may kakilala sa loob, may kapit ka, alam mo yun. Ako, starting from scratch, wala akong kakilala, wala akong padrino na nasa loob. In good faith lang na pag ginawa ko to, may mangyayari. Wala akong nakikitang pruweba, pero kinikilusan ko lang. Mapanahon na yon after nung babagwa, wala pre, wala. Pero what kept me going was, 4 yung pumila. Because sometimes you doubt yourself, you want to think small, you don't deserve.
Yes.
While you're on the run, tas lumalayo ka na, tas parang lumalayo ka sa dagat, lumalangoy ka. Pero gusto mong tingnan kung hanggang saan kalayong gusto mong marating, pero natatakot ka kasi ikaw lang mag-isa dun eh. Tapos ang layo na ng pinanggalingan mong isla, di ba lumiliit na siya. Tapos nasa dagat ka, pak. Minsan, matatakot ka sa sarili mo. Ano kaya, bumalik na lang muna ako kasi masyado na ako malayo eh. May ganun eh.
May pating na pala.
No, ang pinanggalingan ko noon was an office job, corporate real estate with basta may position ako sa office. May position ako nun sa office, yun yung pinanggagalingan ko.
Yeah.
So parang walang nangyayari dito sa pangarap, yung sa pinag-auditionan ko. Hindi ako tumigil. May isang audition. It was for Mumbai Love. It was a big production. We shot in India. I
remember that.
Ito, panoorin nyo. Ito. Ayan,
Mumbai
makikita
Love,
niyo. Mumbai
yeah.
Love. Nasa screen yun. Si Solen Heussaff yung...
That's right. Mumbai Love. That's your first break. You made the audition.
I made the audition. Naghahanap
Oh.
sila ng Indian looking. Ako...
Grabe, pure, pure faith, pure, ikaw lang yung sa iyo, nagtulak
Oo.
sa iyo para pumunta.
Oo. Nag-pretend na Indiano pa. Hindi ako
nag-pretend.
Indiano.
Sa pangalan sa application, ganun din?
Hindi, sinabi ko sa kanila na hindi ako
Tunay.
Indiano. Na tatay ko, Portugis.
Okay.
Oo. Mukha lang akong Bombay, lumalaki ako dito.
Portuguese na yan,
Sa Pilipinas kasi, naasar akong 5'6" habang lumalaki. 5'6" kahit saan ako magpunta. So parang nung nakita ko yung audition na naman, dumaan sa feed ko, audition kaya ako? Subukan lang. Tinatawag naman akong 5'6" eh. Ayun yan yung resulta.
Si Georgie, 5'6 din ng 5'6", 5'7 ang tawag. Georgie Porgy.
Georgie Porgy.
5'6", 5'7.
5'6", 5'7". Georgie Porgy.
5'6", 5'7", 5'6", 5'7", 5'6", 5'7". That's my boy. Yo, man, congratulations on the journey. Parang ang haba rin pala ng iyong yan sa mga hindi alam, makagaya ako ngayon. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na nasa Mumbai Love ka pala. Masilip nga. So, after that, nasa resume mo na yon. Was it all what you thought it would be? Kumbaga, pagkatapos ng una mong pelikula, may expectations ka ba na pagkatapos nun? So, were you delighted or disappointed?
Ayoko sabihin disappointed, pero hindi na meet yung expectations ko. Kasi kung naging na-disappoint ako nun, kung na-disappoint ako nun, edi tumigil na ako.
Right.
So, hinanap ko pa rin yung Ewan ko ba kung ano ba hinahanap natin dito sa buhay na to. Basta hindi tayo tumitigil. Kasi hanggang sa, kunwari, naging artista na ako, ito naiisip ko, nag-artista na ako, nasubukan ko mag-MMA. So, kinukumpara ko nun, ano ba gusto ko talaga?
Oo.
Diba? Ano ba gusto ko talaga?
Ano mas mahirap? Mahirap sa dalawa, yung artista o yung MMA?
Mas mahirap mag-MMA.
Okay.
Hindi biro mag-MMA, yung pumasok ka sa gym araw-araw, tapos mag-ensayo ka.
May kinuwento ka sa akin na mahirap siya pagsabayan kasi yung role, pag ikaw ay nasuntok, may pasa, mahirap tanggalin.
Isa pa yun.
Yun,
Oo,
deep.
may ganun na.
Dami rin ako natutunan, kagaya niyan. So,
Tapos ano rin, kumbaga parang, yun na nga, may history na ako ng mga pelikula na ginawa in the past. Tapos,
name them.
no, ayun nga, like yung kinikwento ko kanina, yung una kong pelikula, and then yung Mumbai Love, and then ang dami pa na nangyari afterward, kasi hindi ako tumigil. Kinikwento ko lang kung paano yung kabagal yung proseso nung umpisa.
Yes.
Na lumalangoy ka nang hindi mo alam kung ano.
Mismo.
Anyway, di ako tumigil. Nakalimutan ko yung...
Hindi ka tumigil, naglangoy ka na lang ko eh.
Nakalimutan ko
Hinintay
na
mo ang bangka.
Woo!
Hindi wala ko nakaabot ka sa isla. Ano nga ako, hinihintay
Nakalimutan ko na. Ano?
Hinihintay
Ano nga
ko
ba yung
may
ano?
barkong dadaan.
Ano habang konteksto pinag-uusapan na?
Hindi, ano naman, smooth flow lang.
O, kasi pag
Langoy ka na lang, eh.
Pag nagkikita tayo, hindi na ako masyado nag-aalala sa buhay eh.
That's right. You shouldn't, it's 1 second at a time.
Hindi, pag nakikita kita, parang feeling ko safe na ako eh.
That's right.
Epas lang.
Epas lang. Who's this guy behind us right here?
Si Ice Cube.
Yeah. Are you familiar with his work?
Yeah.
What's your favorite Ice Cube related work?
Wait.
The new ones
No,
maybe
no.
or
One
classic
of his
ones?
songs, wait lang. I always sing this song. Ngayon, wait lang.
Fuck the police.
Big dicks. Giddy, check yourself before you wreck yourself, cause I'm bad for your health.
That's his song?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check yourself.
Check yourself.
Yan. Tapos, Friday?
Yes.
Friday.
That's a dope.
And the project, the one, yung story nila, yung...
Oh yeah, and Straight Outta Compton.
Yeah, Straight Outta Compton yun.
That was cool.
Yeah, I know it. You grew up. I grew up in the 90s. You see Ice Cube's face on TV, in the movies, yeah, and on the radio.
So sa panahon ngayon, anong iyong pinaka-trip na gawin? Trip na pagkaabalahan.
Ngayon, bro.
Oh.
Ngayon, taking it slow. Taking it slow lang. Ang hindi alam ng tao, iniisip kasi ng tao sa akin, pagising ko sa umaga, ang almusal ko, suntukan. Diba? Ngayon, ano lang.
Sa tingin mo, bakit?
Hindi, alam ko yung ginawa ko.
Napatawa siya,
Alam ko yung ginawa ko nung nakaraan, yung history ko sa social media. Pero, meron rin akong personal kong buhay.
Yes.
Lahat tayo may personal na buhay. Tapos, madali kasing mahusgahan ka ng ibang tao sa isang saglit na video na
Tama.
na napanood ka. Alam mo yon. Kumbaga yung buhay ko sa social media nagumpisa sa social experiment.
Right.
Hanggang sa itong social experiment na to hindi na tumigil kasi I'm the one, ako yung nandun sa experiment di ba?
As you see.
Tas ito na yung evolution nun, yung sa amin na nangyari ni Baron I was able to gain viewership, following because of what happened with me and Baron Geisler way back in 2016.
Right.
So parang, wow, ang daming sumusuporta, ang daming umiidolo, shoutout sa lahat ng mga nagtutulak ng carts sa supermarket, mga guards. Yeah, those are my people. When they see me, they're so happy. They smile, and it makes me happy. And then they ask for a picture. They ask for a shout out, and sometimes they want to dance in
Yes,
TikTok.
yes,
Something
yes,
like that.
yes,
And
yes.
you make them happy, and then you see these people, and their eyes they light up, diba?
Yes,
Oh
yes.
shit!
Oh, you.
Parang whoa, and you feel like okay, I'm not actually a bad person to them, because somehow masaya sila eh.
Mm.
So
You
parang oo,
pinapasigaw pa ka ikaw ng ano eh.
ako,
Ano?
whenever I can, sige ibibigay ko sa inyo. Tapos naghahanap lang rin talaga ako ng project na babagay sa character ko eh.
Mm.
Naghahanap pa rin ako ngayon eh. So I'm really just taking my time and just living my life with my family, with my kids.
That is awesome.
I think the greatest role that I ever took in this life was being a father.
God bless.
And all the roles that I've taken in my little career as an actor.
Yes, 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 yes.
Kasi ngayon hindi na ako actor o artiste eh. Hindi rin
Like
ako
all around.
Hindi rin ako social media influencer lang, parang
Yeah.
may-
You're a dad, you're a family man, you're a writer, director, you're a battle rapper now.
I'm just someone who's
Yeah.
alive.
So how about battle rapper?
Battle rapping, bro.
Yeah.
Battle rapping. Yo.
Yeah, you told me na ang pinaka-latest mong gustong gawin after dropping off the kids and have time for yourself to watch some things is to catch
I
up
tune in. Yeah, I
for
tune
Pinoy hip-hop
hip-hop, oo.
artists and their history. So, nabanggit mo na recently, pinag-aaralan mo yung journey ni Balakid, ganyan,
Yes,
or
yeah.
yung work
Going
niya.
backtrack.
yung work niya,
Going backtrack. Kasi mga panahon na pumatok yung flip top noon.
Mm.
Ako, hindi may trabaho, yun nga, meron akong trabaho, meron akong career as sa office, sa Makati, corporate world. Meron akong mga appointments, nagka-close ako ng sales, nagta-time in ako sa office.
Right.
Yun. Hindi ako nakatutok sa kung ano yung patok, kung ano yung kultura. Kasi lagi akong trying to survive, trying to fend for the family, always about the family. They didn't have time to really engage in the scene. And wala rin akong influence directly sa eksena.
Mhm.
Iba yung circle ng friends ko. Oo. So, after nung trabaho ko sa office, yun na. Nag-audition ako sa independent cinema.
Question. What influenced you? Who were your childhood heroes?
Ikakat natin yun. Ikakat natin.
Wala akong ikakat ha. Wala.
Tayo na.
Don't matter. No, you're doing great. Childhood heroes. Childhood like
heroes.
why is it that doon ka napapunta sa pag-audition dahil nakita mo yun? Sa tingin mo, there's something subliminal, something subconscious that is about you and your past, or wala lang ano ka doon ka parang alam mo na doon ka pupunta sa harap ng lente, sa harap ng lens.
Hindi, sa akin kasi parang yung maagang exposure ng nanay ko sa showbiz nung bata ako. Nung sumali ako ng TV search, parang Mr. Pogi thing. Mr. Pogi segment. Pero yung pangalan nito was
Sa Pogi, akasid pala to eh.
pero TV Idol, You're the Man. Sinali ako doon na
Okay.
ko. Tapos pagkatapos nun, you get opportunities to be casted in some shows. You get to be in ASAP.
Right.
You're part of Star Magic, this and that, during those days. Pero nahinto yun. And then I had to finish high school pa during that time. But that was really early in my teenage years. And because of that, nung nung nagkaroon ako ng choice na itutuloy ko ba tong buhay ko, a career dito sa concrete jungle na to, na kailangan ko sugurin yung traffic every morning. Doon pa lang talo ka na eh. Ang dami na ninakaw sa'yo. Yun yung nararamdaman ko nun. Versus, dito ako sa pangarap ko na alam kong gawin. Kasi nasubukan ko na. Maybe try another shot again at it. Kasi sayang naman yung potential eh. I mean, you auditioned back then, nakapasok ka na nakasama ka na sa ibang shows. Ibig sabihin,
Kaya mo pa ulit.
pwede, di ba? So you look for these signs in life na parang pag may doubts ka sa sarili mo, ano lang,
So yun, isa
hanapin mo
isa
yung-
yun sa araw na iniisip mo. Pag may doubt ka sa sarili mo, naiisip mo yung time na yung una. Yung...
lagi ko naiisip yung magagandang bagay sa buhay.
Right.
And isa yung mga nangyayari, dumadaan sa buhay natin na nagtagumpay tayo. Isa yun. Pero, ang importante lang talaga, tumanggap ka lagi ng pakiramdam na magaan. Diba?
Pag nabibigatan ka.
Hindi,
Parang-
man. Ako hindi ako nabibigatan. Ako, gaan-gaan ko lang, man. I go with the flow, you know, kahit ako'y kalbo.
Hey. how you feel about social media and sports? Halimbawa, Mr. Longbomb sa basketball.
I got no comment, bro. No, I got no,
No comment from Mr. Longbomb? Oh, nakashoot na. Mr. Longbomb, nakashoot na raw sa PSL. So, are you familiar?
Yeah, I'm
Nakapanood
familiar.
mo?
I'm familiar.
So, no comment.
No
kasi,
comment, yeah.
baka kumalat. Kiko Matos versus Longbomb. Wala, hindi. Wala sa kanyang peripheral.
People pick up what you say, you know, and they cut it.
Yeah, that's the way.
make
That's the
it-
way.
So I
Yup,
got no
yup, yup.
comment. I got no
Okay,
comment.
Good one,
yeah.
good one. Because we were gonna clickbait
I don't
your
wanna.
ass.
I don't wanna. Yeah. I don't care about views. I don't care. You know, I come here talking to you. People don't hear me speaking English, di ba? At lagi akong Tagalog.
Okay.
So,
Ako sanay na ako sa iyo na.
oo,
na tayo
ako
English.
kaya ko ilabas yung sarili ko kay Mike. Kaya kong magpakatotoo.
Yes,
na,
yes.
na hindi
Appreciate
nakikita
that,
ng
appreciate
na
that.
maraming tao.
Appreciate that. I
Alam mo
say
yun.
likewise. Appreciate that, Kiko.
Kasi, kumbaga parang tangina tao rin ako. I got a human side.
Yes, yes.
You know,
And I want people to see that, I guess. you know.
Minsan nauutot ako sa elevator, tas tinitiis
Ikaw pala
ko
yun,
yun. Di ba? Tao ako, di ba? Parang nagkakape rin ako, inaantok ako, naiinis ako, nasasaktan, nahihirapan, nauubusan na ng pasensya.
Speaking of Looney, you're in his music video. Paano, ikwento mo kung paano nangyari na umabot ka doon sa... Actually, that was a surprise kasi everybody thought you were just a real hater that's hating, not realizing na parte ka pala ng promotional strategy ng music video. So, talk about it. What's the title of the song? Looney song?
Pikit.
Okay. So, ikwento mo sa amin kung paano ka nakahalo, nakasama, naipasok sa Pikit.
Si Looney nakasama ko sa ano to? Anong kanta to? Let me look it up. Anong kanta? Baliwala. Baliwala music video.
Si Jehan ba
2016?
Kalabaw yata natin. Hindi, wala.
2016.
Oh, yeah, no, I remember that.
Kakaputok lang namin ni Baron.
I can't remember that.
Tapos, gagawa daw ng music video si Looney. Naghahanap sila ng kalbo
Oh,
na aarte as Looney. Kasi si Looney, ewan ko, siguro, gusto niya iba yung umaarte para sa
part na yun.
part na yun.
Oo.
Tapos siya kumakanta lang. Yun. So, Kaya kung makikita nyo dun sa Baliwala, nagsasagwan si Looney. Tapos paglagpas siya sa camera, ako na. Yun yung connect nun. Nagets naman ng fans yun. Sabi ko, oo, Looney yan eh. Right away, oo, Looney yan. And batang 90s, 2000s, early 2000s. I've witnessed the history of growing up and hearing it on the radio, hearing it on taxis, on jeepneys, tapos pagtatambay ka pa sa
You talking about Pinoy hip-hop, Pinoy rap, or Looney, or the
culture,
song? Okay.
culture, everything. This is all culture. Looney is
90s,
culture.
yes.
Yeah, Looney is culture. He's Francis M's boy. Diba?
Hype man.
Yeah.
Discovery or something.
Yeah, and I had an idea of the scene. It's just that through the course of growing up, I didn't make it good with some of the people in the scene, kaya hindi ako dito lumugar. That I don't want to talk about that right
That's
now.
that's a episode.
That's
two.
a different episode. That's
a
a
Kiko part
dark.
2.
That's a dark side. That's a dark side.
We're gonna get to Kiko's dark side in the next one, but this one is the bright side.
Yeah,
It's the light side.
Yeah.
Was good, man.
I've witnessed the culture na what Filipino hip hop was coming from, Tugs tak, tug tak tak, tugs tak, tug tak. You hear the same beat, but there are a lot of original songs, Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Mahilig ako sa melody eh. And I like music. And I listen to a lot of influence. I had a lot of influence in music growing up, different genres. But the most that really, pick up ko na gustong gusto ko was rock and hip hop. Rock and hip hop.
It's nice. Mix or separately,
All of the above, bro.
All the above.
All of the above. Like, if I would make a song right now, if I get my creative juice talaga tapos hindi ko tinigilan, nasulat ko, rap metal genre.
That would be what would be your first album's title if you had a rap metal album?
Mentalidad.
Mentalidad.
It's-
Mentalidad.
Hindi, something mental. Something mental. Talking about the shit that lies to you in your head, that voice that keeps on trying to crawl back into you doing things that you shouldn't be doing, And building hate and negative energy that you should have gotten over,
Yes.
that spirit. That spirit that you are familiar so much, but sometimes it just finds its way to you na parang, fuck, nakalimutan mo lahat ng pinaglalaban mo dahil you give in and you back into your shithole again and you hate everybody, you're angry and you blame everybody but not yourself.
Accountability.
Always pointing your fingers,
You need accountability.
Yeah, so I actually meron akong sinulat na
Sige nga.
nasa na phone ko.
Babasahin. Sa baba.
Hindi, sige. Fuck.
Ano yung kanta? Tula?
Practice sulat.
Practice.
Practice sulat.
Diary?
Oo. Practice sulat. Hindi, ano?
Ano kaya sa akin? Pag ako kaya may practice sulat ba ako dito? Tingnan ko nga. Practice sulat. Tingnan ko.
Hindi, nalihis na tayo. Ang tanong yung kay Looney eh. Yung paano ako napunta sa pikit, no?
Oo. Ang layo na pala
Ang
natin.
layo na. So, to answer your question, ay, napunta ako sa pikit dahil nasa Baliwala ako.
Okay, sa bali wala muna. Ano mo muna, iparado muna yung bangka. Okay.
Nag-meet kami ni Looney sa Baliwala. Tapos ever since nun, magkikita sa event or meron si Looney na alam mo yung itatanong niya sa akin kung trip kong gawin. Ganun, parang papresenta niya sa akin. Tapos Kicks, pwede ka ba? Ganun. Over the years. On a personal level. Not on a business type.
Lawrence is cool, man.
Yeah.
Lawrence is cool, man. When it comes to music and arts, like he's focused on quality of stuff like that, you know?
Yeah.
That's one thing about him. Ano ba, meticulous? Pag sa, yun ba yung word? Meticuloso? Meticulous?
I think siguro,
Like that? Parang
siguro sa discipline ni Looney, as a battle artist, as a
artist.
as a song
artist, yes.
as a songwriter, as a poet,
Yeah.
you gotta be meticulous with the choices of your words. I mean,
Yeah.
hindi ka dapat may marap eh. Alam mo yung may masabi lang. Lahat naman ng binibitawang tugma ni Looney busog eh.
Oh.
No? So, yeah, the man is a living influence. You know, his presence teach you so much about the art.
This one I wrote yesterday
Yeah.
about not letting go. It's a featuring on Kukai's, I don't know, single or album. Which of hands you glue it to, hold the plan so beautiful, so through and through, give you the clues, paint the notes and fill the blues. Not even hope can pull you through. Mirror, mirror, who is who? Ain't nothing for you I wouldn't do. My hunger grew for newest clues. Things that hurt, hard to hold on. Off my chest, mind is so gone. Yes, I guess my queen, I'm no pawn. Took all this hate and love to hold strong. I'm glad 'cause now the fruits of labor, the sacrifices of losing neighbors, missing friends, turn your favor. I did it, I made it, I lived with the flow. It was hard, it was dark, but I didn't let go.
Oh. Okay, pasa nga cellphone.
Ayan, naglabasan na ng tula. Tapos ito, ay puta, para kay bars para sa future na laban Parang Herbert Bistek, di mo ba gets? Hey! What the fuck? I'm writing here, son. Oh, hanap ka dyan. Dahan-dahan lang. Walang problema. Some beats.
So, yun nga yung mabalik tayo sa tanong mo anong klaseng music. It's about mental health, mentalidad. So, paalam, ako'y namamaalam, hindi ko din alam, ayoko rin malaman, pagod na din lumaban, ako'y nahihirapan, lubos na kalungkutan, balot ng kadiliman, ubos na ang pag-asa, ayoko nang umasa, tapos na ang pasensya, iniwan ng konsensya, ito'y aking paalam, ang aking kapalaran, mauna na ako sinusundo ni kamatayan.
Oh, wag muna.
Hindi, kumbaga...
Yeah. No, you know what? Poetry is so beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, that's dope, man. I give you props for that. Nah, sometimes men be on their macho shit, you feel like they can't express certain things in manner like that and through poetry. So I always commend people to write whenever they feel like it, and don't be scared to just free flow, write whatever it is. You don't have to think of rhymes or raps or bars, but in your case, that one is
This is a result of what you
Yeah.
shed light to me, You invited me telling me like, yo, why won't you try sunugan? Like, and then I'm like, I ask you like, you sure, man? You think I can? And then you're like, yeah, you're Kiko Matos.
yeah, boy, that's right.
And then I'm like,
You did a
okay.
good job.
Okay, so yeah, I did my homework. No.
You did a good job, man. I can't wait to
But I
one
don't.
day see you
The thing
again.
about me, I don't wanna let anybody down. I'm not a letdown. You know.
I see
If
that. I know
tell
that
you,
about you
if I
now.
tell you, I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll do it.
Na ano, alam mo, kaya tayo nagkakaigi, rinerespeto ko yung parting yan na about you na yun nga, that's why natutuloy yung mga ginagawa natin kasi pag inuuha natin, ginagampanan natin. So like just like this, like the podcast, things like that, you know. And you really, I think what I noticed is you're more into the arts than to the business of the art. So, doon masaya kang kausap kasi nakakatuwa, nakaka-expand ng alam mo yun, ng space to talk about, you know, like hindi yung tungkol sa ganito, tungkol sa chismis, tungkol sa business, tungkol sa pagkaperahan. We actually talk about arts, you know, poetry, we talk about movies and stuff like that, and culture. And I siguro na sorpresa mo rin ang kagaya ko na nahuli din ng stereotype na binigay at stigma ng binigay ng unang karakter na pinresent mo sa internet.
Like, sa tingin ko nga, kaya ko nga kayang gawin yung character na yun. Kasi putay na, that's one of the easiest
I
shit
know.
I've done. Being that fucking Kiko Matos that you see, ano? Parang, man, I can do better than that.
I
Like,
know.
if you
So,
only knew, like,
it's so okay din.
na-stuck na lang talaga siya sa akin, man. Na-stuck na lang talaga. Everywhere
Okay.
I go, ano? Fuck. No, pero na-appreciate ko, don't get me wrong, pero yung araw-araw na lang Pero sasabayan ko yan. Pagbibigyan ko pa rin yan. Pero, syempre, yung initial reaction natin, parang,
Kahit pa paano ay sa kalendaryo. Kahapon na ngayon. You know, for me, when they see me too, sometimes like,
Hindi, pero a piece of advice sa fans,
you gotta love it.
a piece of advice sa fans, you know, if you wanna be friends, don't be a fan.
That's true.
Diba? If you wanna be friends, don't be
Alam mo, kay Francis M, that's who I was. Like, I'm not, you know, everyone, he was my friend because not that I'm not a fan, I was a fan, but I didn't, parang ano ko lang to, kaibigan. Francis ang tawag ko nga sa kanya, di ba? Francis Kicks. Ganyan, you know, I think, you know, that gave me that gateway to his parang for him to be himself in front of me, for him to like being around me, for him to pick me up when he's bored, for him to go to places that he wouldn't take normal, regular people, I guess. Parang, alam mo yun, parang nagkatiwala siya na hindi mo siya ginawang Siguro, when people get patronized, you know, I feel like, you know, when people patronize and
You were somebody that he can talk to.
yeah, kasi
Okay,
parang unang ko pa lang sa kanya, Francis ang tawag ko, ganyan. Siguro, kasi sa New York siya una, iba naman yung culture doon. There's no like, boss, hindi naman gano'n. Sir, idol, in America, it's like, you know, we don't, it's almost now we look at you could be a millionaire in damn Subway, we don't give a shit. We don't, you know, it's like, dito sa Pilipinas siguro is more divided sa social class, mga ganon.
I think may kagagawan syempre yung
sa kultura
yung
din.
kultura rin ng pagrespeto sa mas mataas sa'yo. Especially,
Yeah, but I gave the respect. He saw the respect. That's why he welcomed me in his space. But more like the gawking, you know, there's the fake patronizing by people. You know, it's just like, alam mo yun, parang minsan ramdam ng artist na, tangin na sumisip-sip lang to kasi may kailangan tong o gustong makapasok sa certain situation, gustong minsan, okay naman tayo, open naman tayo for everyone. But sometimes, some people are so transparent that they act like they need something. I mean, they act like they're real nice and they're the biggest super fans, but they need something. So the minute that you say no and you don't give what they want, they're not the super fan that they said they were. So sometimes you catch them and parang nahuli mo sila sa ganun. So ano na lang, I don't know how to feel about, I don't wanna act like,
Well,
pero may
ano,
ganun eh.
may ganun at kasama siya. Kumbaga parang if you don't know how to act upon it, ako sa tingin ko it's safe to just consider na meron ganun at hindi mawawala. There will always be people trying to, you know, double cross you, pero hindi mo rin masisisi sa kanila. Ang masisisi mo lang yung sarili mo kasi
Siguro,
nagtiwala ka.
okay din yung be yourself. Yun na rin yung approach ko, parang be yourself. Be yourself. Parang be yourself. Like, I couldn't find myself to switch up. Now, I don't know. Nasa ano rin talaga eh. I've been here for a while. But when I first came here, there's a lot of things that are like kakaiba pag nasa New York at iba. Halimbawa, New York is
Yo,
homophobic like
yo,
a
bro,
motherfucker.
The
That you can't come
the
here.
Big Apple, bro.
They
That's
come
a whole
here.
different concrete jungle over there, di ba?
Tsaka alam mo yung humor ng mga Pilipino, halimbawa lalaki sa lalaki humor, may minsan yung kulitang sa Amerika, na yun eh, they're like, iffy with those kind of things, it's just different. It's hard to explain because if I put it in words, it might come off wrong and freaking,
Well,
you know what I'm saying?
Ako sa tingin ko- hindi, ito na lang. At sa tingin ko may maambag ako sa topic mo. Yung kultura ng Pinoy nga na may inuman, tas puro lalaki lang, tas isang baso lang pinaghahatian.
Ayun, yung ganyan,
Diba?
tagay-tagay, walang
Yun yung
ganun
contrast,
sa
yun yung
masyado,
contrast
ganun,
ng
oo.
different upbringings
Isang
and
plato,
culture. Yeah.
pulutan, ganyan.
Oo, hindi, diba?
It's not much
Yun
like
yung
that
ano.
for Americans, no.
Walang ganun doon.
Doon hindi masyado, o wala, hindi
Ako
ganun
kasi
yung
nung
kultura.
nagpupunta akong Portugal, tatay ko kasi Portuguese from Lisbon, Portugal. Magbabakasyon kami doon. Tatay ko would come to would come to a bar. So, tong bar na to, mukhang bar sa pelikula, di ba? Yung parang mukhang European bar. Inn, yun yung inn. See, tas you got mix of people. You got kids in the inns, running around. So you play with the other kids, and then the adults, they drink, and everyone's having a good time, di ba? So yun yung nakagisnan ko habang lumalaki. Tapos nung napunta dito, ang inuman dito, tagay.
Oo.
Puro lalaki. Yun. So parang nakita ko rin yung contrast.
Kahit sa Chongke, I mean, I don't know if you know about it, pero yung mga napuntahan
bro.
ko at nakita ko sa
Hindi, alam mo,
cipher ng Chongke, alam mo yung papasa mo yung joint, tapos
Dito, oo.
tapos papasa mo sa sunod, tapos hindi dito lumaki. Papasa mo, ilinagay mo sa ilong mo yan, papasa mo sa akin, tapos labi ko, they're real sensitive about shit like that. So,
Hindi, pero meron na rin akong masasabi sa sa kultura ng Chongke ng mga Europyano at saka dito. Kasi ang napansin ko, lahat ng tropa kong lumaki sa Europe, even some of my relatives na nakasmoke ko. Lahat sa Europe, pag nag-roll ng joint, gusto nila yung may halong tabako.
yes.
Yun yung gusto.
No, Rizla, no. I mean, there has a name for that. So I forgot. Spliff? Yeah, spliff.
Ihalo sa tabako.
Yeah. Sa
Tapos,
Europe.
so you got half weed and half tobacco. Yeah, a spliff, right? Tas dito, ayaw. Ako gustong-gusto ko siya. Panahon ng lokes. Yung mga lokes na talagang lagkitan, buntot ng pusa, 'di ba? Mga panahon na 'yon, nung nasubukan ko yung hinahalo sa tawag dito, tabako yung
Buntot
smokes.
ng pusa. Hindi ko masyado. You're the second person, shouts to OG Sacred, who gave me yung buntot ng pusa
Back in the day.
term. Oo, na sa tree, sa weed. Okay, anyway. Sorry, I
Mga
cut you.
panahon, ayun, nasa na ako.
Anong panahon na ganun pa ang lokes, ganyan pa yung
Ayun nga, natikman ko yung hinahaluan ng tabako. Tapos, pag yung mga tropa, magsusmoke kami, ayaw nila. Mga Pinoy, ayaw nila. So parang, hindi ko na lang haluan. Hindi ko pagbigyan yung taste ko na natutunan ko.
yes.
sa ibang parte ng mundo, di ba?
Right,
So,
right.
parang, okay, sige, stick tayo sa, chonky lang. Ganon. So, yun nga, yung napansin ko yung makadagdag sa difference in,
Oh, culture,
cultures.
culture. Yep,
Oo.
yep, yep. What else? There's so much, man. You know, it's so dope to. It's so parang nakakatuwa din pag-aralan na may bawat lugar na may kakaibang bagay doon na hindi mo maikukumpara sa ibang lugar. Tapos meron din naman na sobrang pareho din pala. Akala mo sobrang kakaiba, pero pareho din pala. You know what I mean? It's like, I guess just life, you know, everything interconnects and everything's, you could put an opinion on it. Everything's comparable or incomparable.
Yeah.
We covered a lot of ground with that one. Yo, you know what? You got a place to go, but before you go, and we talking about weed, ganja hoops, man.
Ganja hoops.
That would be so dope. There you go. Kasi labas na po yan sa Shopee. Pwede na pong umorder ng ganja hoops sa Shopee. At ang maganda dyan, pag kayo umorder at tayo nakabenta, sa community naman ang punta nito. And that's thanks to Top Tier, who's helping us with that whole movement. So that's another additional for what's going on with Ganja Hoops and the co-owners of this NFT. So we're growing. We're growing. We're having new partners, and Kiko being here, I'm about to talk to him about part in the movie. So any last words and parting? Goodbye for now till we talk again. Episode 2 of Kiko Matos. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila? Kung sino man sila.
Putang ina nyo! Ano?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.